Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel CS Papa. In this session, we are discussing about Microsoft Intune services. So Microsoft Intune services is a endpoint security tools, which we from Intune services we can manage complete devices, even mobile devices, desktops, and computer virtual endpoint, and especially any devices like a mobile tab, laptop, Windows OS, and virtual desktops like Windows, iOS, Android. Any devices management can be managed by any devices can be managed by Microsoft Intune. And what is the benefit of Intune services? Benefits, you can say it's a centralized controlling monitor, centralized management, and controlling all your application, enhance the employee security, cost efficiency, remote management. You can say it's also remote management. And how can we? So especially you can say about it's a enhanced security protocol, complete devices management managed by the Intune. And what is the purpose of Intune? To manage, you can say it is used to manage complete devices like it's so in any device which is going to integrate with Microsoft Intune. Any user, suppose we are having around 1000 of user, 100 user from in our enterprise organization. We want to control all the user in a single platform. So in that scenario, we can go with Intune services. Like we in a single department having multiple user, multiple employee. They wanted to we don't want to break our policy. We don't want to leak our data. We don't want to lapse our security. So on that scenario, we can go with Intune services. And Intune sort of you can also say automatic deployment services. Automatic, which means to say deployment services. We do if before we are using SACM, WSUS for deployment, automatic deployment. If we wanted to deploy any software, any application to the user profile, we have to use SCCM and WSUS. No, if we are going to use Intune, we don't need to worry about any SCCM. Forget about SCCM, to forget about WSUS. We can use Intune services to manage complete application deployment. So these are the example of Intune service. Let's discuss now let's discuss about how can we manage Intune services. This is my Azure portal. This is Microsoft macroportal.azure.com. From portal.azure.com, you need to type here Intune or Intune. You need to you will redirect to the Intune software like Intune application, Microsoft Intune.microsoft.com, like here you will redirect here. So this is the Intune portal. So how to manage Intune portal? First of all, I will go to the dashboard. This is my dashboard. This is the dashboard. Here is the all devices management. You can check here. Already I have already added the most added the Windows client, or iOS client. iOS client means to say iOS user, Windows user. So here, if we wanted to add any user to endpoint security, you can say endpoint security method is a called as endpoint as a Intune services. These are the my user here. These are the whatever user is available in intra ID. It will be reflect on the Intune services. So so if you wanted to check, first, you need to add the Intune license. This is the my Intune license. I'll show you here. These are the my Intune license 1, Intune license 2 here. If we wanted to go with Intune, we have to, and overall all management license, all the Microsoft Azure license managed by the admin.microsoft.com. That is Office Microsoft 365 Admin Center. This is the my Intune application. Here there will be one more Intune endpoint application, enterprise application management software. management tools. And there is one more, Intune, Microsoft Intune Plan 1 devices, and Intune Plan 2. Whatever requirement you are having, you can go with that. So I will again jump to the Intune portal. This is my Intune portal. These are my user. These are my user in Intune. So I wanted to check how many devices is attached to the Intune, and how many Windows devices attached to the. So Windows device attachment integrated with Intune, you need to download in your PC. Client PC have to download in a portal, company portal, like here. This is the company portal. So from here we are going to manage whatever deployment service will be here. I will show one more thing. First, if any user wanted to integrate with Intune, they need to go to. So I will going to add Intune license. This devices window D user, just user account info. This is my user account. I wanted to sign in with Intune services. Click on access work or school. Once you will click on access work on school, you need to click on add account. You need to go with intra id, because a complete, you can say, complete method of management all the devices with in Azure portal. You can join with the intra id, because now Azure id become is intra id. Once you will click on Azure intra id, you need to type here your user. Suppose if I will dasha at Dubai Demek hills.com. Just click on next. Once you will click on it, you need to type the password. Sorry. So now I am going to join with this PC. This PC will join with mobile devices management, which is my Intune services. So for this is my personal PC, don't want to join. So I just click. Once I will click on join, I will going to join to the complete Intune services. So I will. This is the example I have shown to you here. Now I'm again go to this. This is the PC here. This is the devices already attached with Intune services. This is my PC already joined with personal, but I don't wanna join to the to my this my personal PC to Intune. So leave it as is it. So here, this is the devices already attached with Intune services. If you want to check the devices with application, so click on Windows. This is the application, Windows OS. If you wanted to check how many Android devices, you can go and check on Android devices. These are the Android devices. These are the Android devices is attached. Even you can check every single thing about how which application is attached with this Android devices, which application is installed to the this devices. Everything we can check from Intune services. Even I will show to you. This is the my user. I will check the VGLPC01. I will show how many application, which application is installed. When last synchronization is date 4/19/2024, 2025. Sorry, this is the an application devices. Even we can check everything. The remote launch. When did I remote launch? And discover application. If you wanted to check the discover application, these are the application which is attached to this user PC. So these are the applications. Hope you are understanding all the concept. Which why do we require Intune service? What is the purpose of Intune service? Intune services to manage complete your cloud infrastructure integrated with, if you want to integrate with your on premises and cloud, especially Intune services especially designed for cloud. So here, if suppose if I wanted to, before I spoke about Forget about SCCM, forget about WSU, Windows Service Update Services, Windows. So WSUS. So now I will going to check here application. Just click on apply. This is Microsoft Intune admin portal. So I wanted to deploy an application to the all the user which is associated with only Windows user, only iOS user, only Android user. It's up to you whatever application you wanted to install. It's depend on requirement. So I want to deploy the application, one application. Just click on create. Once you will create, now here I will going to deploy one remote software. I will going to click on enterprise catalog. If you want, you can also go to the Microsoft store, new whatever as per, and you can also create web link, personal website link. It will be direct attached to the user profile, and it will display on user need to just, if you will going to add any application, user just need to click on synchronize at this device. It will be auto synchronize. So here I am going to click on enterprise application. Just click on select, and which application you are going to select. Catalog, just click on catalog. Here I will going to click on Anydex. So I just wanted to deploy Anydex. Just click on Anydex and click on next. Just click on Anydex again, select. So here, and these are the app information. These are the app information. Do show the here. This is important. Do you want to show this feature app in the company portal? Yes, I wanted to show this. If you want to show any logo, just click on select the logo from you want, whatever you want. So I'm going to select a logo. Select this logo. This is the logo. Okay, click on. Just click next. Whatever logo, it's up to you. Mostly you need to select the as per the, suppose I need to select Anydex, so let it be like that. So here program feature don't need to change. If you wanted to allow available and install, yes. If they can install, yes, they can install. No, but if you are working enterprise, you don't allow user to uninstall. So let it be like that. So just click on next. uh, and the minimum operating system requirement, minimum operating system I will going to leave it that as it is default, or select whatever you want space. And here just click on again next. No need to detect. This is the detection rule, don't need to change. Here you are going to select the user and group. This is the important, which user you are going to assign this application. So I need to click on here add group. Here the application group will become. So I'm going to assign all the company and devices, MDM, remote access, all, whatever. If you want to select whatever, it's up to you. All user, I want to go and deploy all user, all devices, which is assigned with my mobile devices endpoint security Intune. Just click on next. This is the available enrolled devices. Click on available, which is the available enrolled devices. Select MDM mobile devices management. Click on select and next. This is the application overview. Add this to application. Once I have deployed this application, just user need to a client side client PC just need to click on company portal or go to the company portal. Just click on synchronize these devices. It will be synchronized, and in applications, in application, here these application the user are having all the application whatever deployment have done. In the home portal they will going, they can get all the application, whatever application they have, they are or they can have all the application. So these are the feature and overview about Intune services. And if guys, if you are having any kind of doubt, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.